compounds wealth. The power of compound interest over time is remarkable. Tail events rule. Rare, extreme events have outsized impact on wealth. Wealth is what you don't see. The unseen decisions and sacrifices contribute to wealth.
Grab your free copy now. Click the link in the description to download your exciting ebook. Happy reading!
Avoid boon. Protection against big losses is crucial for long-term success. No one's crazy. People's financial decisions make sense to them based on their experiences. Luck and risk are different. Luck is not a sustainable strategy. Risk management matters. You're not rational. Emotions heavily influence financial decisions. Saving versus spending. Finding the right balance between saving and enjoying life is key. Adaptation is inevitable. People quickly adapt to new levels of wealth. Money has no value on its own. Its value comes from what it can be used for. The importance of flexibility. Being adaptable to life's changes is valuable. Freedom matters more than money. Money's purpose is to give you options. Status and wealth. People often seek wealth for status, but status is relative. Understanding compounding, the power of time, and compound interest cannot be underestimated. Tails drive everything. Extreme events can shape outcomes more than averages. Forecasting is difficult. Future financial predictions are uncertain. Process over outcomes. Focus on your financial behaviors and processes. Wealth is a spectrum. Comparing wealth is relative and complex.